Okay, we're gonna look at this refrigerator. Question everything Dred was talking about. The refrigerator that reports how much food you got in there and how much food level stock left in the reports to government if your kids ain't eating right. So this is just gonna be a video to showcase what Dred was talking about. So they might not have the full technology. Look, hold on. Clearly, you can see it's a refrigerator, right? Clearly, refrigerator. I'm gonna check the departments. Check the departments. I'm gonna push food.
With the Family Hub, eat fresh by tracking what's inside your fridge at all times, thanks to 3 interior cameras. You can also update your shopping list from anywhere. To put strawberries on your list, tap Send. All right, strawberries are on the list, both on your phone and on your fridge. Now let's shop smart and find deals for strawberries by tapping Find Deals. Look, there's a deal available.
And see it lets you know what's in your refrigerator, what's not, and what to shop for, and what you can shop for.
Family Hub's built-in intelligent voice assistant, you can update
They got cameras inside the refrigerator
using just your voice. Let's try it. Hey Bixby, add cucumbers to the food list.
Tell the weather.
Great, it's added.
It reports more than that. We're gonna exit out of this. It reports more than that. We're gonna go to home. I'm gonna do it for so long. Go to home. Window manager, home. Go back. We're not gonna stay too long. She about to park the car. So we're gonna go to Dred's channel just to show you what Dred talking about. Just to show you what Dred talking about. And that's Dred channel. Okay. As you can see, that's Dred's channel. Now we're gonna exit out because we can't stay on this. And that's the smart refrigerator.